Hey guys, you guys, another room tour, nothing fancy. Like I said, okay. Ooh, your girl looks so greasy, mighty greasy. Yes, ma'am. But as soon as you come in the door, to your left is the bathroom, base in the bathroom. And right here, we have a little microwave up there, coffee maker, a little refrigerator. Like I said, baby's in there using the bathroom, the ice tray, and here's why. It's your girl. Okay, outfit of the day. Anyway, y'all, so they only have the two twin bed, no king size, which we're not gonna use one of the bed. I have some of my stuff on one, the bed that we are not gonna use. Okay, this was supposed to be like 30-second, but anyway, yeah, you guys, here's the room. It's pretty much like the other place. Let me shut this. I got my stuff in there. And here's the TV. The lighting probably bad, but yeah, it's not that great. And your girl phone is about to die. You got the heater blowing. And here's the TV and stuff like that. Yeah, you guys. Deuces. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. As you can see, your girl's super tired. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Bye, y'all.